Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the speech mode on Mecha Break. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account, and you should get this homepage. And then from here, use the mouse pointer icon or the controller icon and select menu at the bottom right corner. From the options that appear, simply select settings, and then within the settings, select audio, and then select voice chat. Now under the voice chat settings, scroll down and you should find the speech mode. So as you highlight it, you should see a brief description at the top right corner. So there are two options. You can choose either hold to speak or press to toggle. So all you have to do is choose the options that you prefer. So highlight your mouse pointer icon or the controller icon and select those arrows and choose the options that you prefer. Now once you're done, simply exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.